Facebook is poised to become one of the most valuable companies in the United States tomorrow. Just 8 years old, the social networking giant is expected to be worth more than $100 billion, making it bigger than Disney, Ford, and McDonald's. ABC 7 News reporter John Alston is at Facebook in Menlo Park tonight, where employees are holding an all-night hackathon. John.
Carolyn, if you listen closely, you might be able to hear a big ka-ching. The employees are working on some new projects, and then for the company tomorrow, it's going to be a big payday. The beer is flowing tonight in Silicon Valley. Ander Vasquez ordered Facebook shares about a year ago in pre-market selling. How many did he buy?
I'd like to keep that confidential, but let's just say I'm buying pitchers tonight.
The excitement is evident from the night spots of Palo Alto, where tech employees like to unwind, to nearby Menlo Park, where Facebook set the initial price of its stock at $38 a share.
Ask me when it hits 100, who knows when, but I think it might have been high, but for a company that has a long-term potential for growth, hey, that's what the market is betting, so our bets are down.
Those bets are expected to generate nearly $20 billion for Facebook and create even bigger millionaires in and outside of the company. Average investors will have to wait until after the trading begins to try to get their piece of the pie. Jason Green is a venture capitalist.
Absolutely, there's a risk. I mean, we won't know for several years whether what's paid in the IPO is going to be worth what the company is ultimately worth.
Around 7 p.m. on the Facebook campus, employees started pulling an all-nighter, what they call a hackathon. In these photos provided by Facebook, they're doing things like writing codes and designing new features. Despite the buzz, not every investor has the stomach for buying shares during the Facebook IPO. Karen Meyer remembers the roller coaster she endured when she bought shares of Google on day one.
So I'll definitely watch it, and I might even be tempted to jump in, but I suspect it's going to be very, very topsy-turvy tomorrow, and I think I'll stay away just for my own mental well-being.
Incidentally, Facebook employees who buy shares of stock will have to wait 6 months before cashing them in. In Menlo Park, John Alston, ABC 7 News.
All right, John, thank you. Well, the Facebook IPO stands to make instant billionaires out of some of the company's investors. Co-founder Eduardo Saverin, who has renounced his American citizenship, today said he would pay all the U.S. taxes he might owe. Sean Parker, the founder of the music piracy site Napster, he took over for Saverin and will make $4 billion. And Bono, the U2 frontman, will turn a $90 million investment into a $1.5 billion payday tomorrow. Well, the rest of us will get a chance to buy shares later in the day as those lucky first buyers turn around and sell for a profit. Some analysts think the $38 opening price could double, maybe even triple within hours. Now, our continuing coverage continues at 4:30 tomorrow morning. Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook founder, is expected to ring the NASDAQ opening bell at 6:30 a.m.